So when we're mapping, I'm just going to draw a complex shape. So I'm using my rectangle tool. I'm doing the automatic push-pull. I'm going to do another one on the face here. I'm going to add it, option. Okay, so now if I give this a texture, I'm going to go up into my render menu of my object info palette. I'm going to specify under texture, I want to specify a texture. I'm going to click on this texture. Oh, I'm going to have limited textures to deal with. So we'll do this brick. Okay, so I can see that all I did was select this brick, and I can see, look how it's mapped this brick. I have it going vertically on these faces. It's going horizontally on this face, which I might want or might not, but I definitely don't want it to go vertically. So what I can do, I can see under my texture, I can specify map type. Right now it's perimeter. I can do plane. So see what's happened here. It's shifted, it's rotated all of them. I can also do auto plane, and I can do based on shapes. So how it wraps around a shape. I can do sphere, and that's going to kind of try and bend things, because like if we think of a world globe and our maps, it's basically like they've unstitched this round shape, and it's the flat maps we have are actually incorrect, right? Because Africa is actually bigger than Greenland. So I can do a cylinder depending on, and perimeter. And I can also change the scale of my mapping. And I can change, I'll go that bigger. Change the rotation. So this might be correct, but I'll want to do it 90. And now I have it how I would actually want my brick to run. Now, let's just do a cylinder and see what that, we'll pick a different texture. Say we have it's out of cinder blocks. So right now I can see that it's perimeter, but if I do a cylinder, it kind of, that perimeter would actually work better in this case. And if I do a sphere, and I'll give this a texture. Ooh, that won't, I'll do glass block just to make it visible. I can see that this is a subdivision, so it just automatically does that. But let's play with, let's look what like glass looks like. And that's clear. Okay, so you can play with the mapping of the texture. You can play with the rotation and the scale. All of that is up in your render menu of your object info palette.